Okay student, now question number 4 says examine the table. Now you have to see this table. Each figure is divided into triangles. Okay, so this is triangle, this is quadrilateral, this is pentagon, this is hexagon. So each figure is divided into triangle. Now this quadrilateral is divided into 2 triangle. Now this pentagon is divided into 3 triangle. This hexagon is divided into 4 triangle. So we have to examine the table. Each figure is divided into triangles and the sum of the angles deducted from them. So firstly we will see how they will do here, then I will explain you how to find it. Now triangle, this figure is called triangle. It is having how many sides? 3 sides, and the sum of angle of a triangle is what? 180 degree. Now student, this is what? This is a quadrilateral. It is having 4 sides. So how we will find out how they have done like 2 triangles? As the sum of one triangle is 180 degree, 180 degree into 2, they have find out like this, like 4 minus 2. I will explain you how we will solve all these things. Now pentagon 5 sides are there, hexagon 6 sides are there. So pentagon is having 3 triangles, so they multiply 3 into 180. Now hexa is having 4 triangles, so they multiply 4 into 180. And what they have done over here, 4 minus 2, 5 minus 2, 6 minus 2. So I will tell you how we will find this. Now by looking this figure, this is triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon. Now by seeing this, we have to find out the polygon having 7 side, 8 side, 10 side and 9 side we have to find out. Okay, so we will see how we will find out. So student, I am telling you one simple trick how to find out angle sum property of a polygon. Angle sum property of a polygon. So I will try and start with triangle. Okay, then I will move on and I will explain. Now the formula is side minus 2 into 180 degree. So I'll start with triangle. How we are getting the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now this is triangle. So triangle is having, student, how many side? 3 side. So the formula is side minus 2. Now it is having 3 side. So 3 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 into 180 degree. That is what? 180 degree. So that is why we are getting the sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Okay. That was just example, because now we have to find out if the question is saying a fourth, A1 we have to do. If it is having 7 side, we have to find out the sum of angle of a polygon. We have to find out if it is having 7 sides. So now just now I told you the formula is side minus 2 into 180 degree. Now if it is having 7 side, so 7 minus 2 into 180 degree. So 7 minus 2 is, student, 5 into 180 degree. Multiply 180 into 5. 5 zeros are 5 eights are 40. 5 and the 5, 9. So it is, student, 900. So angle sum property of a octagon is 900 degree. Okay. Now B1 is, if it is having how many side? 8 side. If we are having 8 sides, so what will be the sum of a hectagon, sum of an angle of a octagon, sorry. So the formula is side minus 2 into 180 degree. Side is what, student? 8 minus 2 into 180 degree. 8 minus 2 is 6 into 180 degree. So 180 degree into 6. 6 zeros are 6 eights are 48. 6 ones are 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is 1080. So sum of angle of an octagon is what, student? 1080. Okay. Now C1. Now side is what, student? 10. So the formula is side minus 2 into 180 degree. Now side over here is 10 minus 2. So 10 minus 2 into 180 degree. 10 minus 2 is 8 into 180 degree. So 180 degree into 8. 8 zeros are 0. 8 8s are 64. 8 ones are 8 plus 6 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So this is what, student? 1440 degree. Okay. So 10 side is equals to decagon. So the sum of angle of a decagon is what, student? 1440. Like this, if you are getting side number, then simply minus the side with minus 2 and multiply with 180. So you will come to know the angle sum of that particular polygon is what. Okay. Now student, n. Now how we will find out n? The formula is side minus 2 into 180 degree. So side over here is n. So it will be n minus 2 in bracket multiplied by 180 degree. So if we are having n side, the formula will be what? The angle sum property will be what? N minus 2 into 180. Okay. So I hope question number 4 is clear. Thank you.